How do I convert scanned data into a SolidWorks 3D model I can actually edit? If you're an experienced CAD designer, importing a dumb STL file can make you feel like a complete beginner. Expecting that mesh to act like a fully parametric model is one of the biggest roadblocks in reverse engineering. But you have options. Let's compare two proven workflows using Geomagic technology, a standalone software versus an integrated add-in, so you can decide which fits your daily grind. Let's start with the standalone version of Geomagic Design X. This is purpose-built, incredibly powerful reverse engineering software. It has advanced tools to handle for complex parametric reconstruction and seamless integration with CAD platforms. Where Design X really shines is in its automation and intelligent wizards. These features can automatically detect shapes and extract geometric features from raw scans, significantly accelerating the reconstruction process for even the most difficult parts. Once the model is ready, the LiveTransfer feature pushes the entire project into SolidWorks, automatically rebuilding the native feature tree step by step. It's an incredible tool for high-end automated workflows. Now, let's look at the add-in version, Geomagic for SolidWorks. The biggest advantage here is that you are editing the mesh and doing the reverse engineering directly inside the SolidWorks environment. There is no switching software. Your keyboard shortcuts, your feature tree, and your muscle memory all stay exactly the same. If you need to make a revision later, you just edit the native SolidWorks file. It's incredibly efficient. Furthermore, most reverse engineering projects don't end with a 3D model. They end in manufacturing, which requires a 2D drawing. Standalone software isn't built for robust 2D drafting. By working natively in SolidWorks from the start, you can seamlessly transition straight into your 2D drawings. So, which is right for you? If you are processing highly complex scans all day and need maximum automated power, a standalone tool with LiveTransfer is excellent. But if you want zero workflow disruption, need to make native revisions quickly, and rely on 2D drawings, an integrated SolidWorks add-in might be your best bet.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.